Right now we've got explosive supercell development, about 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and rapid wall cloud genesis here just to our west. These things are in a prime environment for strong tornadoes once again. And Dominator the team is in perfect position.
There's the funnel right there, big bull funnel.
There it is, down there. Look at ground circulation over there. See?
Yep.
Behind.
Oh, wow. Yep, there it is.
Yeah, I've got circulation on the backside. There's the funnel.
Kevin, we could probably drop that right about here.
Okay, go. Stop. I'm stopping. I don't want to bury us in the ditch. GoPros are recording? GoPros are recording and so is the Ada. Just want to make sure GoPros get it. I hate second guessing. Look up. Yeah. It's really getting violent. We're fine. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. It's still coming right straight for us. I want to make sure it stays coming right straight for us. Wow, it's getting big. This thing's really big. I think we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go.
It's gonna be bright white on the other side.
You're filming with my phone? Get some pictures. Look at the size of that thing, Donovan.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's heading for this town.
Yeah, we got him.
The rain curtains right there. Holy shit. It's gonna drop a satellite right here.
Yeah. There is. It's on the ground right there.
Yeah, we need to turn around.
You're good. Okay, just wait. Just sit here. Just sit here. Right here. Right here.
Just relax a second. I'm stuck. And I don't want this truck to get in front of me.
We're good right here. We're totally fine.
We're very good right now. I just want to be ready.
I know, especially if you think about yourself.
No, I just had it in two-wheel drive. I'm okay now. I gotta turn this stupid traction control off.